Boom. DJ Dreadbeard.
You say you write for Kartel. Clarify that. Is it that you were saying that you write songs for this Kartel or you actually write songs for Kartel? Because there was some mix up there and even Kartel.
We're in a studio and writing our voicing and going and me have songs where me I say, all right, well, there's a song in particular then, Bedroom Slaughteration.
A Kartel and spragga, up to the time. Bedroom Slaughteration, Bedroom Slaughteration.
Yeah, man, I'm going to take all this buckler here for repair. So, you're not trouble, you know?
I like people, them. Where I cuss Beenie Man and I say, him should have called me name. You don't love him, because he never remember. He never remember said.
Yeah, trouble there, you boy.
Ramping Shop.
Yeah,
that was a moment.
It really was, and it was like a bittersweet moment because a lot of people was mad at me for that song. It was like, Neil, why you didn't clear that song? I'm like, what are y'all talking about? Nobody asked me nothing.
I don't give a fuck what these niggas is talking about. I know exactly who my fans is, and I know exactly who hearing this album. If you not my fan, I don't want you to listen to my shit. Go listen to motherfucking Zara Larson or somebody.
Remember when we the L shop with no money for breakfast.
Yo, on a pretty caption, how I move in new cat, you know, new front. But yo, future fambo say, a Vybz Kartel are the king, and a beer car Beenie Man have him a watch back in a them time there, you see me? Neo can't catch a break every time Neo do a new interview, them tackling about the ramping shop and Neo always give a different answer. In other one, Neo say, yo, him never did know Vybz Kartel. And Pitchfork, this Chris Brown, and say the album, they rank it 1.3 out of 10. And we see Chris Brown clap back wicked. You see me? We have that freeze about our talk about. And big up Richie Feelings. We see Richie Feelings over on club in a Uganda. I tear it down with some Afrobeat. You see me? You know Richie Feelings they over Uganda right now. A tour with Spice. And as I see on your screen, Vybz Kartel dropped the new song when he messed up. And Gaza Insider, the real Gaza uncle, say it sound like him write the song for him baby mother over Canada. If you listen to the song you hear him talk about, the girl him talk about is from Canada. You see me? And Gaza uncle say look like I'm baby mother from Canada. Like she hold some kind of grudge or something because when Vybz Kartel they go over Canada, usually you see him link up with him youth them and something. So the song they hit deep. It's not just a Michael Cake Soap Jackson. You see my dance and I think, yo, I'm see the G have a video on IG right now when him a ball and him caption it. Remember when I was broke, doubted and overlooked. And look like the G I cry real tears. I don't know if I fake tears, but they look like a real tears. You see me? Yes, so Vybz Kartel continue to give a variety of songs. Not no one dimension artist. That's why him are the king, you see me? And you know the main topic, you know as a dancehall liar, I have to tackle the one, you see me? We see Spragga Benz found out and say, him write a bag of song for Vybz Kartel. Yo, we have a reason about that, you see me? But before I go no further, let me introduce myself quick and fast to the brand new viewers and the brand new subscribers. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I beg you to like up the video. And if you want to support the channel, drop a super thanks in the comment section. I'm going to shout out ALB19, brand new supporter to the channel. Drop £5 on the last video. Yeah man people, remember, sharing the video, liking the video, commenting on the video is also a form of support. If you don't know how to drop a super thanks or how to hype up the video, see the instruction that been a run across the screen. Don't go nowhere, but soon forward.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.
Insight, informative entertainment vlog.
Yo, I wanna go like a me alone a burn a fire pan Yaksta. For a link with Footer Hype. People must say, yo, Footer Hype proud in him Versace robe and walking up in front of Yaksta.
The singer rebranding himself as outspoken Rasta tough talker, but not everyone buying it. What's up with Yaksta? All of a sudden, nice guy youngster is in a bad mood.
You see me? And then he go up on Anthony Miller for your man. We are born a fire. You should go up on The Fix or even Jeffrey. You see me? And we not steal on the topic there. Uno do what uno do. You see me? Yeah, but speaking of Jeffrey, we not hear nothing more from Jeffrey. Like this prison hype thing with Jeffrey. Or after the bravado, Jeffrey sit down and I meditate, say which direction him life can take. You see me? But yeah man, this prison hype thing, you think it take boy for maintain a hype for 13 years. Jeffrey prison hype not even last a day. Because me think say Jeffrey would have dropped 2 more episodes and Let's Be Honest already. And see if he can get 200,000 again. If him drop a next episode right now, him not get 200,000 like the first prison hype video. Jeffrey prison hype died on already, like we know any kind of hype. It no last long. I just one hype. We know last long, you see me? Yeah, and it's not footer hype. A Vybz Kartel hype.
I like people them. Where I cuss Beenie Man and I say him should have called me name. You don't love him, cause he never remember. He never remember say Ashan is make the rhythm and I me write the song and then come at the studio and him say 2 words. Cause Ashan is do a song and I say Charlie the song say one day and Beenie Man one say I'm okay. I don't know if I see a melody or what. But we don't love him. He's a good person. He's a good person. Leave him alone. Don't stop. Leave Beenie Man alone. Him just owe him things. You can't change him. You can't change him. Him just half himself. And it's all about him and him is everything and him are the best dress. And him, you know, much time I watch film car. And like him split, he never look for me. Not even one morning, not even one day. He would never tell me thanks.
Alright, so while he must say all of that probably like a sarcasm, while he must say that me a pre the caption, you see me? So I try to sift through the typo them and the punctuation, you see me? So he must say, yo, beg your left King Beenie Man, me done vent. Oh, him name spell, me not even a look. One king me know, at Vybz Kartel, I care 0. Me was him sidekick, send out boy, wash car, not one thanks. Jesus, I'm a God, and save him, a the real king. So the last part there, like him, I say, yo, Jesus a God, and Vybz Kartel are the real king, you see me? Yeah man, so that fambo I say, you see me? I say Vybz Kartel are the real king. You know, since this I Show Speed something and I Show Speed I sing Roman Red Bull, it's like fambo forward out and I say, yo, Beenie Man should I give him credit. As me say in a previous vlog, you know how we talk the thing fair, you see me? Me not think at the time and place for Beenie Man mention Future Fambo. Even though him coulda do it, him coulda say, yo, me and this other artist Future Fambo. Speed never did I go remember. But the viewers, them would have know and probably look it up, you see me? But otherwise than that, him say Beenie Man have him a wash car and a buy him spliff and a send out boy, you see me? Jano, me don't know what kind of king life Beenie Man did I live, you know? Beenie Man was a cruff king, you know?
Ramping shop.
Yeah.
That was a moment.
It really, really was. And it was like a bittersweet moment because a lot of people was mad at me for that song. It was like, Neil, why you didn't clear that song? I'm like, what are y'all talking about? Nobody asked me nothing. I wasn't there. Leave Vybz Kartel. I don't even know Vybz Kartel, y'all. Goodness gracious, like, calm down. Just relax. But mind you, Vybz got out not too long ago, and he did like a big show in New York, and he let me come out on stage with him, and we did the song together. And so I hope that calmed everybody down that was still feeling the way about that. Like, listen, Vybz is cool with me, all right? Y'all need to relax. Like, calm down.
Yeah, when did you realize that was a hit in that space as well?
The second I heard it, I'm like, oh, they did that. Yeah. Why wasn't I called for the video? Shouts to Spice.
Yeah, maybe do a remix.
We need a remix.
Shouts to Spice.
Hey.
Let me be quiet. Like, shouts to Vybz, shouts to Spice. Yeah.
Imagine an international artist like Neo. Like Neo have to sit down and premeditate how him a go answer this Vybz Kartel question pan the next interview him a go pan. Like every interview Neo go pan, them ask him about Vybz Kartel, Spice, Ramping Shop. Why you think them ask him about Ramping Shop? Because Vybz Kartel is not a regular dancehall artist. We see it time and time again with other artists, like from them cross part with Vybz Kartel, them would have killer with Vybz Kartel question. Like the whole interview is like Vybz Kartel. We see it all the while. So I think Neo have to go write one script and stick to it because now he must say him not even they know who was Vybz Kartel. You see me? I first way hear the one day. Anyway, big up yourself, Neo, and me did predict say them for do a remix or a refix with Neo in the video this time and Spice. I wanna Neo wife them and Vybz Kartel would have bring Spice in the ramping shop. Take away one a Neo wife. You know what's a Neo have whole heap of wife. You see me? So that would have be the concept of the video. Long time I made them prediction there, so I want it come true because yeah, a refix with the original Neo song merge with the ramping shop dog, that would have bad. Nah lie. Alright, so before me get into the final topic, which is the Spragga Benz and Vybz Kartel, me could talk about the Chris Brown. So popular online magazine Pitchfork, them go after Chris Brown. And I say, yo, the album here is a piece of shit. Literally, that's what them say. And them a get a whole heap of backlash right now online. Everybody a go after them like nobody not agree with them. Them a say, yo, love him or hate him. That was very unprofessional for say to an artist, you see me? And a lot of people say, yo, them still a carry grudge for everything what Chris Brown do to Rihanna and them something. So people always hate pan Chris Brown, you see me? Yeah, so the hate is real. So I like two of the most hated artists collab, you know. So Vybz Kartel I get the hate out here. And Chris Brown I get the 8 over there. You see me? But something where Chris Brown say, and before me just play the little, I think a 30-second video where Chris Brown clap back. Chris Brown say something interesting. Chris Brown say, just want to say thank you to everyone who listened to my album. Been a lot of mixed review and I can take my audience criticism and opinion. The last 3 albums came under the same scrutiny and it eventually grew on people. Thank you for even taking the time out to listen. So basically the dog I say, every time he put out an album, the last 3 albums are the same thing people say. And then song sell gold half it, song sell platinum half it, double platinum. It turn mega hits. It grew on people, that he must say. So are the same thing like out here with Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel will put out a song or a album. Him will put out a song or a album 3 o'clock and by 4 o'clock them a tell us they are trash. Them a tell us they grade it 1.3. Well, me never hear them grade it so low still. Total disrespect that, you know. But we have played a little clap back where Chris Brown say and it a go viral, you see me?
Team Breezy. I know people want me to get on here and, you know, say some sad shit, but fuck that! We kicking their ass, goddammit. We ain't letting up. I'ma keep my foot on their neck and we ain't stopping. You hear me? We doing this motherfucker tour. More shit to come. I'm not gonna tell you what's more to come, but it's coming at the end of the day. I don't give a fuck what these niggas is talking about. I know exactly who my fans is and I know exactly who hearing this album. If you not my fan, I don't want you to listen to my shit. Go listen to motherfucking Zara Larson or somebody. Fuck them.
Yo, and when I say Pitchfork, I get a backlash. The people them start question Pitchfork credibility. The only thing left for them do, I do a mass unfollowing a Pitchfork. But me agree with the girl here. The girl here say, at the same Pitchfork this, we rate Ice Spice album over Michael Jackson. So look on your screen. Then give Ice Spice 7.6 and give Michael Jackson 7.2. You see me? So at this it reach, the people them start go back in a time and I say, at the same dirty Pitchfork this, you see me? You don't know how to grade album. A regular you do this, so that the people must say, you see me? That's how I go on. But yo, make us talk about this Spragga Benz. It's like Spragga Benz forward for collect fee money, you know. Remember say everybody have a hand in a Vybz Kartel career, you know. You hear Footer hype them say them boss him, Mataran them, everybody. So it look like a Spragga Benz time. You see me? So Spragga Benz say, him write a bag of song, give Vybz Kartel. You have to go watch the full interview over the fix. Yeah, but him did say that. Him say, him write more than one song. But them put out the song when him slaughter girl. When you hear me play one little clip in the intro. Bro, as the dancer liar, this easy for analyze, you know. It's simple, bro. At the time, Spragga Benz was the bigger artist. And you know how the bigger artist something they go. From your elder in the game, no matter how Vybz Kartel bad. Bro, nothing more than Spragga Benz have a chorus and him verse. And him feature Vybz Kartel on the song. But what Vybz Kartel do is, you see the chorus where Spragga Benz write, you see the song, Vybz Kartel end up sing the chorus too. So you see when Spragga Benz say slaughteration, slaughteration, you see when Vybz Kartel time for jump in, Vybz Kartel said the same thing too. Slaughteration. So you know say originally a spragga benz song. So if Vybz Kartel say slaughteration too, I hit him a take credit for it and I say yo.
Bedroom slaughteration. Girl, open your leg, belly need them, give me some corporation. Bedroom slaughteration. Girl, open your foot, belly need them, give me some corporation.
But if I listen to Vybz Kartel verse and spragga benz verse, you can't tell say a Vybz Kartel write theme verse. You know them old time song the way you can't predict what the next thing where them are gonna say. Slaughteration, murderation, donger station, migration. Like you know what them are gonna say. Back in the days, you know what them are gonna say. If them not say it, the line where you predict next or the line after the line that them are gonna say. Murderation, slaughteration, donger station. Vybz Kartel him kinda dumb it down and say the same slaughteration, but Vybz Kartel say it in a theme way. So you know Vybz Kartel him not gonna just say murderation, donger station. Vybz Kartel I gonna say some little something, then him say donger station. Like him I say, hey girl, you a bad girl, spread a leg, give me a search like a donger station. Him I say something. Like back in the days, a man a cover the 4 bar. Vybz Kartel a give you the 2 syllable in the 4 bar. That alone make me know say Vybz Kartel write theme verse. The only thing Vybz Kartel do, I sing over the chorus where spragga benz write. So I hit him a take credit for. Bro, a simple match that, bro. So yeah, run up and down and say, yo, you write song for Vybz Kartel. You see me? I just one more level of delusion. And spragga benz remind me of Twins of Twins. One time Twins of Twins did forward out, you know, and say Vybz Kartel copy them style, you know. Yes, when Vybz Kartel say get the oats, get the supper gen. Yes, when Vybz Kartel say the 2 twins them no forward out, man. And say a Vybz Kartel thief it from them character. Me no remember what the character name if a big winner or about the character always say yo, the man them say and the man them serious, you know, bro. And a joke, the man them a joke, no, man them serious, you know. You know how the two of them talk and them finish each other sentence. I saw the man them a finish each other sentence, you know. I think over JA radio, them they do an interview and I say, yo, Vybz Kartel thief them style. Are the same thing, bro. And you know, so I just go check it out and JA radio them private it, even though me never did go play it still. You see me, but this Amari did a talk about it. Look on the date, 8 years ago.
But we are going to talk about Vybz Kartel allegedly stealing the style. Yes, the same where you hear your great grandmother always say, and typically every Jamaican. However, Twins of Twins came out in an interview on JA the TV. Me I go leave the link there in the description so you can go watch a full interview. And I say him deserve credit for the which was used in him Stir It Up volume, which they are sure Vybz Kartel heard and got inspired by one of the characters saying, no, don't laugh, it's serious. I'ma have a thumbs up Twins of Twins for them dedication in actually believing that. And the twins them positive plus positive say because one of the characters in their Stir It Up volume say the sound And
yo, Vybz Kartel own dancehall here. Everybody want a hand in a Vybz Kartel career. The man say him write songs for Vybz Kartel. Yo, you notice how Amari no play JA radio? The man say him have the link in the description. So a long time people not play JA radio content, you know. Cause JA radio will strike, you know. Remember say them time there, JA radio fool people say them a Gaza, you know. And Amari a Gaza, you know, and him still not play them content, you know. Jaja, yo, people. I hear some here end it, you see me? Yeah, man, as the dancehall liar, the dancehall analyst. A simple call, man. Right with song for Vybz Kartel, bro. The man will have the most diverse catalog. For your song when I go nowhere, like, at first me even not hear the song there as a Vybz Kartel fans. Leave it in the comments if you didn't know the song there about slaughteration and murderation and down a station. You see me? But people, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like up the video more about 700 likes. A long time I don't ask for a particular amount of likes. If YouTube push this, then me expect about 700 likes, you see me? Or over that. But yeah, man, and if you want to support the channel, drop a super thanks in the comment section. And the video you see on the screen, that is a video over my second channel. It a go on good, but just in case you don't watch it, me I go put no on tweet, you see me? Yeah, so you can go over there and watch the video there over my second channel and subscribe. If you don't see a video up on the screen, just subscribe to the channel where I collab with. I am DJ Dreadbeard, signing out.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.
Insight, informative entertainment vlog.